Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make a cat. This is a small corner of my working space. Haha, that's my dog. He often comes to check if I have time for him. When I was a little girl, I always wished to have a cat. Being a kid, I loved old animals. Rabbits, ducks, chickens, cows, and horses. I love the color of mixed clay. I always spend a lot of time to mix the clay. Watching this process of changing colors is really enjoyable. When I was about 6 to 8 years old, I used to have a kitten. He was covered with yellow fur. He looked very normal, but I loved and cared for him very much. One day, a chef came to our home, complaining that his fish has been stolen. He thought that the only possibility was our cat. By the way, at that time, we lived in a small apartment, upstairs from a big restaurant. My parents were not happy about it and were sure that our cat was innocent. Because the size of the fish was so much bigger than our kitten, but things just kept getting worse. The chef kept losing his fish, and he came to us to complain and tell us we cannot keep this kitten anymore. I was very worried, and of course, who wants to lose their own baby cat? One day, my dad decided to send the cat away to another place. My father put our cat into a basket and took him on the bicycle about 1 hour from our home. But the cat could see through the basket. The most funny part was my mom said the cat arrived at home before my dad. It is so funny. Even now, I remember this so well. The cat was so clever, he remembered all the way back home. And that was the time I learned how clever animals are. They have amazing memory. After some time, my dad tried to send the cat away again. By that time, my dad had learned he covered the cat's eyes and rode his bicycle for 2 hours to make sure the cat won't come back. When my dad came back to home, he told me not to worry, he had found an old lady to take care of him. I still wish my clever cat will show up one day. He will come back to my life again. Right now, it is a very special time for everybody. COVID has people locked down at home, but I'm able to use this time to make these things from my memory. Okay, now the head of the cat will be finished soon. This is the part 1 of making my cat. Next time I will show how to make the cat's body. Don't forget to come back. I have more stories to tell you. See you next time. Thank you.